In the day's other news, as President Biden took office, the U.S. death toll from COVID-19 kept climbing, past 405,000. At the same time, a number of states reported they are running out of vaccine supplies. The CDC estimated nearly 36 million doses have gone out to the states, but so far only 2 million people have received the full course of 2 doses. Overseas, world governments largely welcome President Biden's inauguration. In Brussels, the president of the European Commission voiced hope for much better relations with the U.S. in the post-Trump era.
This new dawn in America is the moment we've been waiting for so long. Europe is ready for a new start with our oldest and most trusted partner.
Meanwhile, Iran's President Hassan Rouhani urged President Biden to rejoin the 2015 nuclear deal that the U.S. withdrew from under President Trump. China voiced hope today for new cooperation with the U.S. under the Biden administration. Beijing also imposed sanctions on former Secretary of State Mike Pompeo and other Trump administration officials. They're accused of violating Chinese sovereignty and disrupting relations. The sanctions bar them from doing business with China and from entering the country. The government of Israel raced to approve more housing in East Jerusalem and the West Bank settlements just before President Trump left office. An Israeli watchdog group says that nearly 2,600 new units got the green light. President Biden is expected to return the U.S. to a policy of strongly opposing settlement expansion. And back in this country, Wall Street had its best inauguration day in 36 years on hopes for more economic stimulus. Major indexes finished at new highs. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 257 points to close at 31,188. The Nasdaq rose 260 points to 2%, and the S&P 500 added nearly 53 points. Still to come on the NewsHour, public art stands in for crowds at a ceremony subdued by COVID-19 and security concerns. And students write open letters to the new president, expressing their hopes for change in America.
This is the PBS NewsHour from WETA Studios in Washington and in the West from the Walter Cronkite School of Journalism at Arizona State University.